Hello, my name is Rhonda with Whip and Chain. I work alongside Maggie and Lauren to bring you fun crochet tutorials. I'm also known as Ronnie. Anyway, so this one is the classic granny square. I figured in this series it's really good that you see the classic one too. Now the yarn I happen to be using is yarn that I had on hand, Red Heart Super Saver, and this is Bubblegum Speckle if you're interested. Now I am using a 6mm J-hook. So now what do I always start mine by doing a magic ring. If you're not comfortable doing a magic ring, you can chain 5 and then slip stitch to the first stitch, okay? If you do the magic ring, you already chained 1, so I need you to chain 2 more. 1 and 2. And then right inside that circle for everybody now, do 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. And then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then again, 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. And then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And 3 more double crochets again. 1, 2, and 3. And chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. And 1 more set. So we'll do 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And then chain 3, please. 1, 2, and 3. And then just slip stitch to that top of that chain 3 that you did. All right. Now I'm going to pull my center because I think it looks nicer that way. Okay, your round 1 is done. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and put 2 more double crochets in this gap. You'll only, for the classic granny square, you'll only ever be working in the gaps, okay? All right, so that's a chain 3 and 2 double crochets. Move over to the next gap. I want you to put in 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, and 3, and chain 3. And since this is a corner, corners always get 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets. So you put in 3 more double crochets. So you go to your next corner. So what is a corner? A corner is 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. All right, next corner. Notice I'm not chaining when I go to the corners or the next gap, okay? So you never need any chains in between them. Just the chaining in the corners. So I did 3, chain 3, 2, and 3. And then 3 more. That's 1, 2, and 3. And in this corner, we already did 3, so all you have to do is put in 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch to the top of your chain 3. All right, that's the second row. Granny squares are typically 4 rows, but you can make them 5. You can grow them as large as you want, just so you know. Next row, chain 3, 2, and 3, and put in 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. Now, see this gap that we have in the middle from going to one space to the next, right there? Or that's what I call the runway. So I just put in 3 double crochets in that one. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're back at a corner. So what are corners? Corners are 3 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 more double crochet. Okay. On our runway, we have that one gap. The runways just get 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, and 3. Now we're back in a corner. You know what the corners get. It's 3 double crochets, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets. Okay, we're back on the runway right here. So that is 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Back to a corner. One, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 1, 3, and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Runway, so that's 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we're back to our starting point. So we already did 3 double crochets, so all we need to do is 3 more because it's a corner. And 3, and then you chain 3 and you slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. Okay. All right. For the 4th row, it's the same as the 3rd. So all you would do is chain 3, 2, and 3, and put in 2 more double crochets. It's 1, that's 2. And then runway, this time, has 2 gaps. 1, 2, 3, and then a corner. Your corner will get 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. So each time you get bigger, you have more gaps on the runway. See, on this runway, there's 2. On this runway, there's 3. And as you keep getting bigger, if you want to keep going, those runways will get more and more. But the corners will always stay the same. 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. And this is your classic granny square. I hope you enjoyed this. My name is Ronnie, and I work with Maggie and Lauren to bring you fun, educational crochet tutorials. If our tutorials are helping you, can you please hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom, and come find us on Facebook under WIP for Work in Progress and Chain. We would love to have you join us. Until next time, happy crocheting, everybody.